Hi, I'm Carmen and I live in Los Altos.
And I'm Don.
We chose Green Bay and the project manager Adir because when I and my husband were contemplating renovating the bathroom, we looked in the internet and found several places there that were recommended. We contacted one person. He came. He was very arrogant. He told us what we were to put in the bathroom, what we liked. He showed us two pieces of tile and he says, this is what you want. So we got up and said, and that's the door, thank you, goodbye. When we contacted Green Bay, Adir was a name that was given to us as the project manager. So we asked him to come and give us an estimate. He was very polite, unlike our recent experience with this other person, and Adir explained what the project would be, told us what we could choose by going to the place where they make this, where they have these tiles, and gave us several choices. Especially, I liked Adir because he was always polite, he was on time, we never had any problems at all. He always had very good suggestions as to what we could use there and what we could do. And when we talked about price, it was one set price and no going back and forth saying, oh well, I have to add more or less. No, it was one budget and we stuck to that. A project of renovating in a house as small as ours would never be something that we could accomplish as well without having someone like Adir who could help us select, who could take us to places where we can see the product and to guide us through the process, because there are many decisions to be made, and took care of all the details, things like going to the city and asking about permits, and so many other things that without a good project manager, someone that could understand the client well, would not be possible. Because I kept saying I want this project finished by my birthday, but it was the project was finished really, and so Adir was very kind to remember my birthday and to bring me a bottle of wine and a rose. My goodness, that was really nice. And it showed what a gentle person and what a good person he is. If we had a project in our home, I would hire Green Bay, but only if Adir was the project manager. I would certainly recommend Green Bay and Adir, the project manager, to anybody that watches this, because he did an excellent job.